Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Why your car AC might be failing you. A car's air conditioning system is a lifesaver during scorching summers, but when it stops cooling effectively, it can turn your drive into a sweaty ordeal. Weak airflow, warm air, or strange noises are common signs of trouble. The issue could stem from low refrigerant levels, a clogged filter, or even a faulty compressor. Before you rush to a mechanic and spend big, there are simple checks and fixes every car owner can try. This guide walks you through practical steps to diagnose and potentially resolve your car AC problems, saving you time and money. Check the cabin air filter. Your car's cabin air filter traps dust, dirt, and debris to keep the air inside clean. Over time, it can get clogged, restricting airflow and making your AC feel weak. A dirty filter forces the system to work harder, reducing cooling efficiency. Locate the filter, usually behind the glove box or under the hood, by checking your car's manual. Remove it and inspect for dirt buildup. If it's dark or clogged, replace it with a new one. This inexpensive fix, often under $20, can restore airflow and improve cooling in minutes. Inspect the AC controls and settings. Sometimes, the issue isn't mechanical but a simple oversight. Double-check your AC settings to ensure the system is on and set to the coldest temperature. Make sure the fan is on high and the recirculation mode is engaged, as this pulls cooler air from inside the car rather than hot outside air. If the controls feel unresponsive, it could indicate a blown fuse. Check your car's fuse box, typically under the dashboard or hood, and replace any blown fuses related to the AC system. This quick tweak can sometimes bring your AC back to life. Look for refrigerant leaks. Low refrigerant is one of the most common reasons for poor AC performance. Refrigerant circulates through the system to absorb and release heat, but leaks can cause levels to drop. Look for oily spots or puddles under your car, especially near the front, as these may indicate a leak. You can purchase a DIY refrigerant recharge kit at an auto parts store, but be cautious. Overfilling can damage the system, so follow the kit's instructions carefully. If the AC cools temporarily but fails again, a professional should check for persistent leaks. Clear the condenser of debris. The condenser, located in front of the radiator, helps release heat from the refrigerant. Bugs, leaves, or dirt can clog it, blocking airflow and reducing cooling efficiency. Pop the hood and inspect the condenser for debris. Use a garden hose or compressed air to gently clean it, avoiding high pressure that could bend the fins. A clean condenser ensures the system can dissipate heat properly, improving AC performance. This simple maintenance step can make a noticeable difference, especially in older vehicles. Listen for compressor issues. The AC compressor, a key component, pressurizes refrigerant to keep the system running. If it's faulty, your AC may blow warm air. With the engine on and AC running, listen for a clicking sound near the engine, indicating the compressor clutch engaging. If you hear grinding or no sound at all, the compressor may be failing. While compressor repairs are complex and often require a professional, checking this can help you decide if a mechanic visit is necessary. Test the system after each fix. After trying each step, run your AC to check for improvements. Start the car, set the AC to max, and feel the air from the vents. If it's colder or airflow is stronger, you've likely found the culprit. If the problem persists, note any symptoms like noises or odors to share with the mechanic. This helps them diagnose issues faster, potentially lowering repair costs. When to call a professional. If these fixes don't restore your AC, deeper issues like electrical faults, major leaks, or a broken compressor may be to blame. A certified technician has the tools to diagnose complex problems and recharge the system safely. Regular AC maintenance, like annual inspections, can prevent future issues. Don't let a minor problem escalate. Addressing it early keeps your car cool and your wallet happy. Stay cool and drive on. A malfunctioning car AC is frustrating, but many issues have simple solutions. By checking the filter, settings, refrigerant, condenser, and compressor, you can often fix the problem yourself. These steps empower every car owner to tackle AC troubles confidently. Try these quick fixes, and you'll be back to enjoying crisp, cool air on your drives in no time. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.